Question number 32. The diagram shows the circuit with a LDR. Okay, so shown over here. So what does this circuit resemble? This circuit looks like a bridge circuit. A bridge circuit. You already learned about bridge circuit, right? So which is nothing but your P by Q is equal to R by S, right? So which are this P by Q? This is your P, this is your Q, this is your R, this could be your S. Okay. The ammeter reads 0 connect, right? That means what? The instead of an ammeter, I would have put a galvanometer here in your bridge circuit. So it's Wheatstone's network. So it says the bridge is balanced. That's what it tells you. What is the resistance of the LDR? So how should I do now? I should now find out what is the resistance over here. So what I will do is I'll apply the condition. It will be 10 by 30 is equal to 6 divided by S. So yes, so 0 goes over here. So I will now say 1 by 3 is equal to 6 by S. In other words, S should be equal to 18. And what was this over here? 18 over here. 6 is nothing but 6 kilo over here, right? So therefore 18 kilo. So answer should be B over here.